Hello everybody, this is Mama Shai. Today in this video tutorial, I am going to give you the transcribed text file of my audio file that I used to pass the Go Transcript website test. If your audio file and my audio file is the same, then you are on the right place. This is the transcribed text file of my audio. If you want to access this text file, kindly go and check out the description of this video. There will be a link by which you can access this text file.
As soon as you click on the link that is given in the description of this video, you will be redirected to this website. Here you will need to first of all solve a captcha and then wait for 5 seconds. As you can see that I have accessed the transcribed text file. Here you will need to copy the whole text and paste in the text box of a test and then click on the send for review. After 3 to 4 days you may receive an email from Go Transcript website that you have passed the Go Transcript website test. Thank you so much. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you. Bye bye.